Welcome everyone to my presentation. My name is Nam. I've been here for 14 months and today I will present on behalf of the Networking Fundamentals course. So I've been here for 14 months and I'm studying data science and artificial intelligence at Düsseldorf University. But don't be scared of me because I'm from a 100% non-tech background, just like most of you. In fact, I didn't have the courage to make the decision to study data science in the first place. It was because of the tremendous encouragement and the support that I got from ReDI school that I changed my mind nearly in the last minutes. But yeah, it was my story, and my hobbies are budget traveling, and also I want to learn more about other countries. And today I will present about networking. So why should we talk about networking? Networking is very important because we want to understand how computer system communicates. We want to increase the speed, the accuracy, the security of that communication. So in our course, we discussed a lot of topics, but the main backbone of the curriculum was the OSI, the Open System Interconnections model, which consists of 7 layers, and we discussed about each layer in detail: the physical layer, the data link layer, the network layer, the transport layer, and then we go to session, presentation, and finally application. Also, we discuss other more trendy, popular topics of networking. So IP addresses generation 6 and cloud and infrastructure. And cloud computing is something that I want to give you a little bit more information about. So cloud computing is when your IT infrastructure is not from you, but is provided by another service provider. So Amazon, Microsoft, or Google. And it has its own pros and cons. The pros are, for example, the speed is very high, resources are quickly deployed, it's super elastic, so you can add, you can remove resources based on your demands. And also it has global distribution across many regional data centers. At the same time, it's more vulnerable to cyber attacks. You have less control over your resources, and also maybe you may suffer from vendor locking when it's not easy to switch from a service provider to another service provider. And in terms of cloud service models, we basically have 3 cloud service models on the market. And if you can see, so if you go from infrastructure as a service to platform as a service and finally to software as a service, you have more control. Basically, Google Cloud, something that most of us use these days, is an example of infrastructure as a service. You have very little control over what you are doing. Okay, so to summarize my ReDI experiences in the Networking Fundamentals course, I would say 3 words: was challenging, at the same time was very mind expanding and unforgettable experience, not only for me, for everyone in the course. Thank you for your attention.